The Samsung CHG70 is the best monitor for XBOX1 gaming that we have reviewed so far. It is an excellent curved gaming monitor that delivers decent overall picture quality, a great 1440p resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, and it supports HDR. It also has excellent low input lag, ensuring that you are able to respond quickly to everything happening on screen. The CHG70 has outstanding motion handling, with an excellent response time and a great FreeSync range. Unfortunately though, when FreeSync is enabled over HDMI, the maximum refresh rate drops to 100 Hz, which means on the XBOX1 you have to choose between a 120 Hz refresh rate without FreeSync, or a 60 Hz refresh rate with FreeSync, as the XBOX doesn't support 100 Hz. It doesn't look that great in a dark room, as there is quite a bit of clouding in dark scenes. It also has narrow viewing angles, so it is best enjoyed from directly in front. If you want to see the price and more information about this product, please check out the link in description box. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Review.